Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have this one in here. First the derivative of y squared, we have 2y. Because we don't have y, so if we do first the derivative, you got about 0 in here. This one we have dy, so we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. We just have this one in here and here. So we have y minus e to the power of s over y. We see that this one is not equals to this one. So in this situation, we need to use about integrating factor. So we see that we have 2y and this one. So in this situation, we need to choose about this one in here. To choose about this one, I need to create about mu y. That means we multiply both sides by this one. And now we have the new b and new q in here. About b, that should be about this one. About q, that is about this one. So we want to put about the b over dy equals to the q over the s. So about this one, if we do first the derivative of this b in here, you will got like this. We just applied about the product rule of the derivative. About this one, that's similar for this one. Now, I will put this one go to the right. So we have y minus 2y. We have negative y in here. So this one we can do about common denominator. So this one we can write into, I will put the negative sign in here. Y squared plus e to the power of s over y. And now we simplify e to the power of s plus y squared for the both sides. And now I will put this one go in the left. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of this one. the integration of 1 over y, we have ln of the absolute value of y, and I will put about c in here. So I will put the negative go inside. So in this situation, c equals to number 0. And now, if we simplify and we got about mu y equals to 1 over y, because y to the power of negative number 1, that's about 1 over y in here. And now, that means integrating factor in here, we should have about 1 over y. And now we go back in here, we multiply both sides by 1 over y, and now we need to simplify. So we have e to the power of s over y plus y. This one we have s minus e to the power of s over y minus 2y. And now I will put about b equals to this one, and q equals to this one. So we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So if we do first the derivative, this one in here, we have negative e to the power of s over y square. I forget y square in here. Next, we do first the derivative of y, we have number 1. And later that, we do first the derivative of q with respect to s. This one, we have number 1. First, the derivative of e to the power of s, we keep the same. And we see that this one is equals to this one. So that means it is about exact. And now I need to set up about the function fsy equals to the integration of this one in here plus 3sy so the integration of e to the power of s, we keep the same. The integration of y, we have sy. Next, we need to do first the derivative with respect to y for the both sides. So first the derivative of this one, we have negative e to the power of s over y square. First derivative of y, we have number 1, so we have s plus d over dy 3sy. And we know that this one is equals to this one. And now we need to simplify s and negative e to the power of s over y square for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have y square over 2, and I will put about c. This one I will have 3xy. And now we simplify. And now we go back in here. So we have 3xy, we change by this one. And we know that this one equals to fxy. Fxy equals to c. And now we simplify. And you got like this. This is the final answer. And now we multiply both sides by y. This is the end. Thank you for watching.